When a sentence includes an inappropriate shift in verb voice, for example, James likes swimming, but running is preferred by Mark. This sentence starts in the active voice, but ends in the passive voice. You can correct the shift by making both verbs active. The sentence becomes, James likes swimming, but Mark prefers running. Some sentences with verb shifts can be trickier to correct. For example, the children cried when the thunder was heard. If we try to use the same tactic we used in the last sentence, we come up with something like, the children cried when the thunder heard, and we know this is not correct. If we just repeat the subject, the children, we come up with, the children cried when the children heard the thunder. This sentence maintains the same voice, and it's technically correct, but it sounds repetitive. You can use a pronoun to replace the second subject and make the sentence less choppy. The children cried when they heard the thunder. This is the best way to rewrite the sentence. When verb voice shifts inappropriately from passive to active voice, for example, the spectators were impressed as they watched the game. It's often easiest to correct the problem by rewriting the sentence. Let's take a closer look at the sentence. It begins in the passive voice, the spectators were impressed, and ends in the active voice, they watched the game. Let's rewrite the sentence to correct the problem. You could rewrite the sentence with one verb. For example, the spectators were impressed by the game. Or rewrite the sentence in the active voice. The game impressed the spectators. Either of these options is correct and retains the same information as the original sentence.
Which sentence best corrects the inappropriate shift in voice below? Jordan shrieked when the crown was given to Taylor by the judges. Jordan was shrieking when the crown was given to Taylor by the judges. The judges gave Taylor the crown. Taylor was given the crown by the judges because Jordan shrieked when the judges gave the crown to Taylor. The correct answer is, Jordan shrieked when the judges gave the crown to Taylor. This response best represents the meaning of the original sentence. By changing the wording of the second half of the sentence, it is much easier to achieve active voice.